Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be making a toroid for the dual MOT Tesla coil. I'm going to be using this old pan lid. If you know what pan this is, off with the two holes in, let me know in the comments. Those who know will know. So I've drilled the cap off, and now we've just got a hole in the centre. This is going to be the plate that holds everything in place. Let me just move the camera a bit. There we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push it in upside down. Try and wedge it in place. That looks good. Turning it round so I can check with my eyes just to see if it's level, and I'm happy with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue in this recess to hold it in place. So I'm going to put a dab all the way around in here. Messy stuff this is, so we'll keep filling it, clean it up in a minute. Got a bit stuck to my fingers there. I'll give this a bit of hot glue all the way around. Make sure that we've definitely got it everywhere. There we go. Turn that off. Find if you pull the stick back, it stops it from spewing everywhere all the time. Just move the excess. Let's just give that a second to cool. Oh, I've got it on my hands again. Leave that a second to cool down. Then that should be stuck in place. So what I'm going to do now is, just for good measure and for conductivity, I've got some of this aluminium foil tape. So it's all finished now. As you can see, it's very solid. There's a little bit of glue poking through, but not too much. Looks quite nice. This is the underside of the Tesla coil. This is the top. Sorry, this is the top of the toroid. And this is the bottom. So obviously that goes through your top of your secondary coil and the wire gets fastened to this. I'll include a picture of it on the top of the coil so you can see what it looks like. Well, here it is all finished, and how it's going to be mounted, it's just loose on top at the moment, it's not actually fitted. I hope you're enjoying the build so far. I know I haven't done many videos of the actual build, but the MMC is coming next, so I will show you what's coming up next. Here we have the 4 MOTs that I'll be wiring up shortly, and here we have all of the capacitors for the MMC. I do have the bleed resistors for those, but I'm not sure where they are. I've put them somewhere. But there's the capacitors, and there's the transformers, and we'll be wiring all that up shortly. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to see the rest of the build. Thank you.